In the summer of 2020, we ran a virtual summer school, and what was unique about our course is that we were working towards our final presentation, a premiere that would take place online for all the world to see. So to make sure that everyone knew the technical requirements to pull off such a complicated project, we had a tech rehearsal on day one. The students had to learn the song, the harmonies, and work out the best way to film themselves and send it over to be edited that night. Here's the footage from that tech, bearing in mind they've just come out of a full day of rehearsals. And although this is super cute, what these guys went on to produce for their final performance was phenomenal.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy.
They can say I've lost my mind.
I don't care, so call me crazy.
We can live in a world that we designed.
'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head, and many dreams are keeping me awake. I'm dreaming of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see.
A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
There's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. Special things I can find. Which one lets to make you smile on a rainy day? They can say it all sounds crazy.
They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy.
Run away to the world that we design. It's every night around the stars, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me.
You may be right, you may be wrong, just say that you'll bring me along.
To the world you see,
To the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see.
every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake.
A million dreams.